Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering the top products that people can't stop buying. Whether you're a savvy shopper or just love keeping up with the latest trends, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a countdown that's all about peace of mind and smart investments. Yes, we're talking about the best-selling warranties and services on Amazon. These are the unsung heroes that protect your most valuable purchases, ensuring that your tech, gadgets, and appliances stay in top shape, no matter what life throws at them. From accidental drops to unexpected malfunctions, these warranties and services are designed to save you time, money, and headaches. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and see which products are making waves in the world of protection plans. At number 5, we bring you peace of mind wrapped in the form of the ASURION 4-year tablet accident protection plan. Now picture this. You've just invested in a tablet, a powerful device, your gateway to creativity, productivity, and entertainment. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? We all know life happens. Drops, spills, and those dreaded cracked screens can turn your tech dream into a nightmare. That's where ASURION steps in. From the moment you make that purchase, ASURION has your back. Day 1, you're covered for those accidental drops, spills, and even cracked screens. It's like having a safety net for your tech. And what about those pesky malfunctions that sneak up after the manufacturer's warranty ends? ASURION's got you covered there too, making sure your tablet keeps running smoothly for years to come. But the magic doesn't stop at just coverage. Imagine having real tech experts at your fingertips 24/7. Whether it's setting up your new device, fixing connectivity issues, or troubleshooting any hiccups along the way, ASURION's experts are just a call or click away, ready to guide you through it all. Filing a claim? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can do it online or by phone, and most claims get approved within minutes. Yes, minutes. And if your tablet can't be repaired, no worries. ASURION steps in with an Amazon e-gift card for the purchase price of your covered product or a replacement. It's hassle-free protection that truly delivers. Now keep in mind, this plan needs to be purchased with your tablet or within 30 days of buying it. And while it's comprehensive, it won't cover pre-existing conditions. But for everything else, ASURION has you covered. All the details, terms, and conditions are just a click away. Check out the Product Guides and Documents section under User Guide on Amazon. And within 24 hours of purchasing, you'll have the plan confirmation right in your inbox, so you can rest easy knowing your investment is safeguarded. So why leave anything to chance? With ASURION's 4-year tablet accident protection plan, you're not just buying a plan, you're investing in peace of mind, ensuring your tablet serves you well, no matter what life throws your way. In at number 4, we have a game changer in tablet protection, the ASURION 4-year tablet accident protection plan, specifically designed for tablets priced between $250 and $299.99. Now let's face it, our tablets have become essential companions, whether for work, play, or everything in between. But as robust as they are, accidents are inevitable. A sudden drop, an unexpected spill, or the dreaded cracked screen can turn a perfect day into a stressful one in seconds. But what if you didn't have to worry about that? With ASURION, you can rest easy knowing your investment is shielded from life's unpredictable moments. From day 1, you're covered. Drops, spills, cracked screens, all handled with ease. And when your manufacturer's warranty runs out, ASURION steps in to ensure your tablet remains in peak condition, covering malfunctions and keeping your tech life running smoothly. Imagine the relief of knowing that help is always just a call or click away. Real experts, available 24/7, ready to assist with everything from setup to troubleshooting. No more digging through forums or endless Google searches. ASURION's got your back, guiding you through every challenge. And if things do go wrong, filing a claim is a breeze. It's all about simplicity here, whether online or by phone. Most claims are approved within minutes. Yes, minutes. And if your tablet can't be repaired, ASURION has a simple solution: an Amazon e-gift card for the original purchase price or a replacement device. It's protection that works around you, not the other way around. Now let's talk eligibility. This plan needs to be bought with your tablet or within 30 days of purchase. And while it doesn't cover pre-existing conditions, it's a comprehensive safeguard for everything else that could go awry. For more details, just head to the Product Guides and Documents section on Amazon and click on User Guide. And don't worry about the fine print. ASURION will email your plan confirmation with all the terms and conditions within 24 hours of your purchase. It's straightforward, it's reliable, and it's there to make sure your tablet serves you without a hitch for years to come. So whether you're a power user, a casual browser, or anything in between, the ASURION 4-year tablet accident protection plan is your ticket to peace of mind, ensuring that your tablet is protected against whatever life throws its way. Coming in strong at number 3, we present the ASURION 4-year laptop protection plan for laptops priced between $1,000 and $1,249.99. Let's be honest, a laptop is more than just a device. It's your digital hub, your command center, your creative powerhouse. But with great tech comes the risk of great mishaps. Spills, drops, cracked screens, the list goes on. Enter ASURION, the ultimate safeguard for your prized possession. From the very moment you make your purchase, ASURION is there to protect you from life's unexpected moments. Drops, spills, cracked screens, covered from day one. And when that manufacturer's warranty runs out after a year, ASURION seamlessly takes over, covering any malfunctions that could arise. It's like having a personal tech guardian, always ready to step in when things go awry. But that's just the start. Imagine having access to real experts, 24/7 at your beck and call. Whether you're setting up your new laptop, fixing connectivity issues, or just troubleshooting a glitch, ASURION's team is always ready to guide you, making sure your tech life stays on track without a hitch. Now, if things do go wrong, the claims process couldn't be easier. File a claim anytime, online or by phone, and most are approved within minutes. That's right, minutes. And if your laptop can't be repaired, ASURION doesn't leave you hanging. You'll either receive an Amazon e-gift card for the purchase price of your covered product or a replacement device. It's all about making sure you're back up and running with minimal hassle. Keep in mind, this protection plan must be purchased with your laptop or within 30 days of buying it. And while pre-existing conditions aren't covered, this plan takes care of almost everything else, so you can focus on what really matters, using your laptop to its fullest potential. For those who want to dive into the details, simply head over to the Product Guides and Documents section on Amazon and click on User Guide. Within 24 hours of your purchase, you'll receive an email with your plan confirmation and all the terms and conditions. It's transparency at its best, giving you all the information you need without the fine print surprises. So why risk it? With the ASURION 4-year laptop protection plan, you're not just protecting a laptop. You're protecting your productivity, your creativity, and your peace of mind. Ensure that your digital companion stays by your side, fully functional and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling warranties and services on Amazon? Well, don't let your protection run out. Be sure to cover your bases by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. Securing the number 2 spot in our countdown is the ASURION 4-year laptop protection plan for devices priced between $500 and $599.99. Now, laptops, our daily workhorses, our entertainment hubs, our gateways to the digital world. We rely on them, and we expect them to perform. But life is unpredictable. One moment, you're sipping coffee. The next, your laptop takes an unfortunate bath. Spills, drops, cracked screens. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they're potential disasters. That's where ASURION steps in, turning potential catastrophe into just another bump in the road. From the instant you purchase your laptop, ASURION has you covered. Drops, spills, those heart-stopping moments when your laptop meets the floor, all taken care of from day one. And when your manufacturer's warranty ends, typically after a year, ASURION doesn't miss a beat. It picks up right where the warranty leaves off, covering malfunctions and ensuring your laptop remains a reliable companion. But it's not just about coverage, it's about confidence. Real experts are available 24/7 to assist you with anything from setup to troubleshooting, from connectivity quirks to full-on tech support. Imagine having a team of tech wizards at your disposal, anytime you need them. That's the ASURION advantage. Protection that's proactive, not just reactive. And if something does go wrong, the claims process is designed with you in mind. It's straightforward, hassle-free, and most importantly, quick. File a claim online or by phone, and most are approved within minutes. And if your laptop can't be repaired, ASURION won't leave you in the lurch. They'll send you an Amazon e-gift card for the purchase price of your covered product or a replacement device, getting you back on track with minimal disruption. It's important to remember that this plan must be purchased with your laptop, or within 30 days of buying it. And while pre-existing conditions aren't covered, for everything else, ASURION has you protected. Need more details? They're just a click away in the Product Guides and Documents section on Amazon. Click User Guide for the full rundown, and within 24 hours of your purchase, ASURION will email you the plan confirmation along with all the terms and conditions. It's a seamless process designed to give you total peace of mind. So why gamble with your laptop's future? With the ASURION 4-year laptop protection plan, you're not just buying coverage, you're investing in assurance, in reliability, in the certainty that no matter what life throws your way, your laptop is ready to face it head-on. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling warranty and service on Amazon, the ASURION 2-year laptop protection plan for laptops priced between $350 and $399.99. Now let's talk about why this plan has claimed the top spot. Your laptop is more than just a device. It's an extension of your mind, your creativity, your productivity. But in the blink of an eye, a spill, a drop, or an unexpected malfunction can turn that essential tool into an expensive paperweight. That's where ASURION steps in, turning disaster into a mere inconvenience. From the very day you purchase your laptop, this plan has you covered. Drops, spills, cracked screens. These accidents are all protected under ASURION's umbrella from day one. And when your manufacturer's warranty runs out, typically after a year, ASURION takes the baton, covering malfunctions and ensuring your laptop continues to serve you without missing a beat. But this plan is about more than just coverage. It's about peace of mind. With ASURION, you get access to real experts, available 24/7. Whether you're struggling with setup, connectivity issues, or troubleshooting problems, help is just a call or a click away. Think of it as your personal tech support team, ready to assist you at any hour. Now, should the unexpected happen and you need to file a claim, ASURION's process is designed to be as simple as possible. File your claim online or by phone, and in most cases, you'll have approval within minutes. Yes, minutes. And if your laptop can't be repaired, ASURION has your back with an Amazon e-gift card for the purchase price of your covered product or a replacement device, ensuring you're back up and running with minimal disruption. Keep in mind, this plan needs to be purchased with your laptop or within 30 days of buying it. And while pre-existing conditions aren't covered, the plan takes care of just about everything else, providing a safety net for your digital lifeline. For those who like to delve into the details, all the information you need is just a click away in the Product Guides and Documents section on Amazon. Simply click on User Guide for more info, and within 24 hours of purchase, ASURION will send you an email with your plan confirmation and the full terms and conditions. It's straightforward, it's transparent, and it's designed to give you total confidence in your purchase. So there you have it, the ASURION 2-year laptop protection plan, the #1 choice for those who understand that peace of mind is priceless and protection is paramount. When it comes to your laptop, don't just hope for the best, plan for it with ASURION. We hope you enjoyed counting down the best-selling warranties and services on Amazon with us. To keep up with the latest top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling products featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.